Hello, my little friends. How are you? Hope you are fine. Open your butterfly book, lesson 6, page number 82. There is unit 2. We will have a fun today, dear. You have already read this lesson before. Today we will again read about the aquatic animals. Who are aquatic animals? The animals who live in the water are aquatic animals. You know, there is a beautiful world and a wonderful world under the water, you know. Let's read. You also will read this lesson with me. Okay? Let's start. Hamid studies in class 3. You also study in class 3. His father is a fisherman. Sometimes Hamid goes out with his father to catch fishes. Hamid loves to eat fish. You also love to eat fish. I know fishes live in water. They are aquatic animals. They can breathe in water with their gills. How they breathe? With the help of their gills. How you breathe in? You breathe in with your lungs. Yes, you are very much right. But when we take them out of water, they die. A fish moves very easily in water. The tail of a fish is very hard. The fish changes its direction with its tail. There are various types of fishes, you know. Some live in fresh water. What is fresh water? Fresh water means river water. While others live in saline water. Where is saline water? Yes, you know, marine water is with saline water. That means the water of the seas, oceans are saline water. Fishes like hilsa and pomfret. I know these are very much favorite to you. So, hilsa and pomfret live in saline water. They migrate to sweet water. Which is sweet water? River water. River water is sweet water. They migrate. That means they come into. They migrate to sweet water to lay eggs. Other fishes like koi, katla live in ponds and lakes. Hamid knows that many of his friends keep fish as pets. We have also aquariums. Some of us have aquariums. We keep fishes there, and so many lovely fishes play together. They are happy and we also be happy. Okay, fishes live on worms, but some fishes eat other small fishes. Live on worms means they eat worms. They eat worms as well as some small fishes. Fishes are very helpful to us. A fish called guppy eats the larvae of mosquitoes. Now let's meet prawns. Prawns also live in water, but you know they are not fishes. They are insects. They can also swim very fast. The body of a prawn is covered with a soft shell. Is covered with a soft shell. A prawn has no backbone. It is backboneless. It is invertebrate. You have backbones. Fishes have backbones. But prawns have no. Hamid's father told him that the prawn's body has 3 parts. 3. The head, the thorax and the abdomen. The head has an antenna and 2 eyes. The middle part is called the thorax. The prawn has jointed legs. The lower part of the body is the abdomen. One day, Hamid's father found a crab in the net. Hamid saw that the crab has pincers. What is pincers? Pincers, you know, by which it can pinch. It can pinch with pincers. His father told him that there are no bones in a crab's jointed legs. No bones at all. Hamid saw that the jointed legs have hard outer covers. Now, children, we'll meet some aquatic animals. The wonderful world under water. Let's move and enjoy. Thank you, my little children.